Hi, welcome to this video, and today I'm gonna build a PCB. But what PCB? Well, the audio mixer PCB. You can already see I've done quite a lot in the past 3 parts of this series. So if you haven't already, you can watch those. But now let's just go to design and convert this thing to a PCB. No, just keep going. I'm just going to build this. Yeah, I mean, I think it will take like 1 or maybe 2 hours. I don't know. Yeah, so those are the components. Just do everything in groups like, and the next thing is this one. This is the input, this is the switch, this is the 12-volt boost circuit, and here is the 5-volt regulator. Here are the components. Move them here. Everything is like where it should be. Whoops. Yeah, I know I normally speak German, like German is my foreign language, and but yeah, like I can speak English obviously. Maybe not good, like I can speak good English. Yeah, I mean, as long as you have fun watching my videos, that's everything that matters. Yeah, so basically I'm just going to select the parts here, and I already saw as before they will show up in the PCB editor, and I'm just going to do that really quick. This is for the microphone input or your line level input or guitar level inputs for with this TRS and XLR input, and here for a headphone jack for your mobile phone. No, there aren't kangaroos in Austria. That's in Australia. Sorry for that. But like, just going to organize every part of here on the circuit board. Yeah, they are really different components. Like we have SMD, like those parts, and then we have those through-hole parts, which we have to solder by hand. Okay, so this is the USB interface. Comes with like this USB jack. It's very big and bulky, but I guess that's okay. I hope so. Like I think nobody else has really made a real series of him, her, them making a audio mixer by their own. And yes, I don't know like really much about audio equipment. Yeah, I have my mic, I have my mixer. I know what an XLR cable looks like, what a TRS cable, 6.3mm jack. So that's what I know. So yeah, that's great. I hope. Like I don't know really much about this, but yeah. So now I'm gonna sort everything from the input side to the output side. This is for our XLR and TRS input. Here, this is the input, 1 point of the circuit. And it's just for 5 and 12-volt selectable. So yeah, let's go. So this is the 5-volt regulator. Here is the 12-volt regulator, and here is the 48-volt regulator. Hi, welcome to another video of the audio mixer series. And today I'm going to tell you how the mixer works. Okay, so let's start with the first input, which is our DC jack. That's where the audio mixer gets power from. With this switch, you can select if you have a 5 or 12-volt input voltage. And it's going to boost the voltage to 12 volts and to 48 volts. The 48 volts are for the phantom power, which we need here. This is the microphone input, but you can also use any line or guitar level input. Here we have the 3.5mm audio jack, where you can input a line level audio signal. Here is the XLR or TRS input. Here is our microphone preamplifier. And what does it do? Well, it just amplifies our voltage from the microphone. Then we have the equalizer, with which you can change the audio signal so it either doesn't have so much bass or has a way higher, or the highs are way boosted, or the mids, which sounds very terrible if you only boost up the mids. So yeah, that's what an equalizer does. And as you might have heard, well, I use a audio mixer myself. This doesn't even my mixer have. What is it? Well, it's the output select. So with these switches, you can select where the output goes. It's just an echo effect. Then everything goes to this one, which just makes the audio a bit quieter. Then we have here this one. It's the headphones output amplifier. Then the last part, is the USB interface, which is basically just this chip. Here we have our inputs for right and left. So yeah, it's just sending the analog voltages to a digital voltage, which we can use in our computer. Well, basically everything for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and see ya.